Hi, I'm Lorna. I've been working on a book called Embroidered Country Gardens for the past 2 years, and it's nearly out there in the public a few months to go. I'm going to show you today some of the stitches that I use in the book. The book is aimed at beginners to intermediate to advanced, depending on a level, but I try and aim it to make it easy for beginners to understand. I have created a variety of flowers using textured stitches, and the one that I'm going to work with today is called the double-sided cast-on. The cast-on stitch is a stitch that's done on a milliner's needle, and then if you are going to make, for example, a grass or a little slug or something like that, and you want to just keep it, you would just go back down through the same hole and end it off. However, for the bulrushes, I've just extended that down there, which has given me a stem at the same time. And I just would end that off. So you land up with a bulrush like that.